Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the absolute best spinach rotel dip. This recipe is incredibly simple, requiring just a few key ingredients and minimal effort. You will need 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, 1 10-ounce can of rotel diced tomatoes with green chilies, and 1 10-ounce package of frozen chopped spinach. Additionally, grab 1 cup of shredded Monterey Jack cheese and 1/4 cup of milk. Let's get started on this crowd-pleasing appetizer. Our first crucial step is preparing the spinach. Make sure your 10-ounce package of frozen chopped spinach is completely thawed. Then, it is absolutely essential to drain it thoroughly. Squeeze out as much excess water as possible using a clean kitchen towel or paper towels. This prevents your dip from becoming watery and ensures a rich, creamy texture. Next, in a large microwave-safe bowl, combine the 8-ounce block of cream cheese with 1/4 cup of milk. Now, let's get cooking. Place your bowl with the cream cheese and milk into the microwave. Heat it for about 1 minute, then remove and stir until the mixture is smooth and well combined. This helps create a creamy base. Next, add your thoroughly drained spinach, the entire 10-ounce can of rotel diced tomatoes with green chilies, do not drain this, and 1 cup of shredded Monterey Jack cheese. Stir everything together until all ingredients are evenly distributed. Almost ready to enjoy? Return the bowl to the microwave and heat the entire dip for another 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure to stir it halfway through to ensure even heating and melting. You want it hot, bubbly, and perfectly smooth. Once heated through, your incredible spinach rotel dip is ready to serve. Grab your favorite tortilla chips, crackers, or even some fresh sliced vegetables. This dip is guaranteed to be a hit at any gathering or a delightful treat for yourself.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.